Hey, what's up TRX holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now friends, welcome back to another video. In this video we're talking about the TRX. My friends, as you know, at this time the TRX is completely dumps and dumps over. The price is very pretty fast down. Not only TRX price fast down, the cryptocurrencies, a lot of coin price fast down. Only and only dumps over in the cryptocurrencies market. What's going on this time? I can't believe that the market is going in fully in the falls, my friends. I'm shocked to see today market of the cryptocurrencies market that every coin is in negative chains. Oh my goodness, what the hell is going on in this time in the cryptocurrencies market? Anyways, but let me show you friends the TRX. When will they start jump and what is the current price? What is the price change occur this time in the TRX? In this video, I will show you friends. And when will they again start jumping? I also told you in this video. Keep watch. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe in our ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. My friends, if we look the latest price of the TRX 0.069516 USD dollar is the latest price of the TRX. On the other side, if we look the price change occur in the TRX of the last 1 hour price change as positive, except after the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, last 1 week price change occur in the TRX as going negative. As I told you that the price is fast down, so same like that now from yesterday the price of TRX fast down, but now that's good news that the TRX start jumping in the last 1 hour. Let's see the price chart. Oh my god, as you can see here, the continuously fast occur in the last 1 month of TRX. You can see here that is the last 1 month price chart of the TRX, my friends. How do you feel today about TRX, my friends? Tell me in the comment box. I am feeling very happy because now, as I show you friends, in the last 1 hour, now at this time the last 1 hour pricing is positive. So this means the dumping time of the TRX are over and it is the end of month. That is why the price is fast down. But now they start moving upwards. So that's mean that the dumping time of the TRX is over and now it's time to take a jump, my friends. That is why I recommend for everyone this time to please hold if you are a holder, my friends. And if you want to buy TRX, absolutely this point is perfect for buying in the future and the next month. Absolutely you will get profit from the TRX if you hold it for a 1 month, my friends. So what's your opinion, what's your prediction about TRX? Please share in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates. My personal prediction about TRX is 100% positive. I believe that they will take a jump in the future. That is my prediction. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected with the ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.